Video. So here's the outside of the camper. My lovely assistant Carol Merrill.
I am the camper.
If you remember back to the 70s with Let's Make a Deal, I always had Carol Merrill.
Okay.
So this is the outside of the camper. The camouflage tarp is over our door. We've got it lifted off the ground pretty good with the trailer jacks. There was a river flowing right there in front of the trailer. Came down past our kitchen, which we have encased in plastic. And then it went over to our in-laws' tent and kitchen setup. And overnight they got pretty wet in there on the floor. The water was just pooling so bad. So we dug a trench on the other side going out to the road, cleared out most of that water. And then we dug a dam. I built a little dam over there in the center because that area was flooding and all the water was coming this way. So I dug another trench that just funneled the water down towards the beach.
Show the beach. Okay, show the beach. 'Cause the water,
So the beach, show the beach.
Show the beach. 'Cause the water, I haven't seen it that close
The water is high.
up to us for a long
We've had so
time.
much rain this year. The water is very high. Last year, all of those bushes, all of the grass out in the lake, there was a
exposed.
lot of it. It was very exposed. But everything's great. Now on the tarp, I had to pull the side, the blue, I had to pull them tight and clamp them so the water wouldn't puddle. Last night, it ended up puddling on this side. So I had to go out this morning, get rid of the puddle, and then pull that side of the tarp tighter. But that worked.
Yeah, everything
Then
else
the
is dry.
plastic is up inside the blue tarp, and it's just all clamped on. And our kitchen is nice and dry.
Yeah, just from underneath the front part, probably when you released the water, maybe.
Yeah, yeah,
Then we have the water that came through the bottom, but we have those mats. They're beautiful.
yeah. The beach mats, we have one over here. They're really nice to stand on. Wipe your feet before you go in the trailer. So you can see here, the side of the roof is on the outside. The walls are up underneath. There's a lot of airflow, a lot of ventilation in that pocket, but that's all right. We get a lot of moist air from all the rain flowing through the tent or the camper. But it's supposed to dry out later today into tomorrow, and we'll just open everything up, air it all out. So you can see the tires are a couple inches off the ground. We got our kayaks. I've already been out on the lake. I haven't been swimming yet, which is a shame, but it's just been raining just about the whole time, except for when we were setting up.
It's so dark in here.
It's so dark. Okay, so let's show them the door. So I got this tarp hanging over the door. This is something I haven't figured out yet. This was a last minute addition, and it catches on this front corner of the door. So we'll have to work on that. But the door closes nicely. I've got this arm here on the trailer, the 2-inch steel. I had to build the door to swing across the arm. And then I've got this nice large magnet that holds it shut. And I got the screen all in there. So this is all working out really well. When we go away, I just put the door latch on there, hold it shut. Then we can go travel, go antique shopping, and the wind's not gonna blow the door open. So I'm gonna rebuild the door for next year, but this year it's worked. Go inside the trailer, and it's dark. One of the things that I love is the power switches that have the individual switches on them. So every outlet on the power strip is individually switched. So you got a string of lights going up. So that's the back side of the trailer. That's Darcy's cot. My cart comes this way. We've got our table with 2 chairs. The door with my lovely assistant. So then we've got one shelf on this side holding all our food and miscellaneous stuff. The other shelf here has got suitcases. Then we have our refrigerator. And I'll do this again when it's sunny out and I can open up all the sides. But we do have a refrigerator, laundry bag, and a toilet. That's the best thing. That and the refrigerator, best things we did this year. So we love it. It's going to rain more today, but we'll deal with that. And then tomorrow it's supposed to be nice and dry for the next 4 days. And it might rain Sunday afternoon when we're leaving, but that's okay, as long as we're leaving. All right, we'll update you later.